Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Shibnobi new updates. A massive updates I have for you. As you know, Dojoswap finally launched in crypto market. Now Shibnobi is just going to launch its gaming. Although the official website of gaming is launched, I will show you inside this video how you can use Shibnobi gaming website, how you can play the game. So each and everything I will guide you inside this video. Beside that, the automatic burning is started. Automatically Shibnobi token will be burned using Dojoswap, its official website. So there are lots of news that I am going to talk about inside this video. If you are the holder of Shibnobi token and you are waiting to be millionaire with Shibnobi token, so you must watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about Shibnobi token, cryptocurrencies, crypto mining, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. Don't forget to like our video, because if you like this video, YouTube will share this video with all users. Like this, I can grow my YouTube channel and I will upload useful video for you. So tell me in the comment section about the video and don't forget to share this video with all your friends. So in this video, I have a massive news about Shibnobi token that I want to share with you. As you know, daily I'm uploading video about this token because I believe in 2022, Shibnobi token will make everyone millionaire and billionaire. I'm sure I will be billionaire because I'm holding 1.5 quadrillion Shibnobi token. So that's why we should buy Shibnobi token and hold it on your wallet as you are getting 6% reflection. So the current price of Shibnobi token is 0.14 times zeros 918. In one day the price increased 4%. So if I show you the holders, you can check. Now we are near to 63,000 holders. 62,000 holders we just reached. So we are near to 63,000. If I show you about the automatic burning system, as I told you, with Dojoswap, Shibnobi token will be burned automatically. You can check in here. First of all, I will show you someone just buy Shibnobi token about 25 Ethereum. This is the transaction proof. You can check. This is 25 Ethereum, cost $17,000. Someone just buy Shibnobi token about $17,000. You can check. This is 9.6 trillion token. If I show you Dojoswap is automatically burning Shibnobi token, you can see here. This is all the transaction. You can check. This is the quantity of Shibnobi token just transfer to the burn wallet. It means Dojoswap is just burning Shibnobi token automatically, which is a best system for Shibnobi token. And then if I show you here, the developers are working very hard to bring a new thing for Shibnobi holders. A few days ago, Shibnobi token, Shibnobi developers just launched Shibnobi store from where you can buy Shibnobi products. And then yesterday, Shibnobi token just launched their decentralized exchange Dojoswap. In previous video, I guide you how you can use Dojoswap. So make sure to watch that video. And finally, today the developers just launched Shibnobi Gaming, their official website. Tomorrow there will be official announcement about Shibnobi Gaming, but today I will show you its official website. Here I will guide you about Shibnobi Gaming. Welcome to Shibnobi Gaming, the world's first crypto-powered wagering platform for the games you already know and love. So you can join in wait list, so you will get all updates on your email address, and then scroll down your favorite games. This is all the games that are on Shibnobi token. You can play this game on your computer system, Android phone, iOS mobile phone. So you can play this game. So you can check. There are lots of games in Shibnobi token where you can play this game. So this is amazing token. The developers are just doing amazing. So and then scroll down here. You can check how it works, how you can play this game and how this game works. First of all, find a match. You need to just use their matchmaking system. The matchmaking system help you to just play a tournament or challenge a friend. You can invite your friend in order to play a game, in order to challenge your friend. So and then we have play together. Play your favorite game against your opponent. You can just same like multiplayer, and then win Shinja. Entry fees powered by Shinja fuel a prize pool. Win games to win Shinja. 1% of all wagers played will be burned. So all 1% will be burned. And then scroll down, you can check multi-platform gaming. This is the multi-platform gaming. And here you can play any game. You can check home, play now, games, live streams. So you can find many things. The official announcement will be tomorrow. Make sure to follow its official Twitter, because you will get the announcement or their official Twitter. And then scroll down, you can check this video. In here you can find everything. And then scroll down, socialized. So make sure to join Shibnobi Gaming on Discord. So this is all about Shibnobi Gaming. The official announcement will be tomorrow, so make sure to follow its official Twitter and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notification, because I will make video about what Shibnobi developers will announce about Shibnobi Gaming, because the developers are just doing very well. In 1 month, they just launched Shibnobi Store, Dojoswap, and finally Shibnobi Gaming. As you know, Wolverino just partnership with Shibnobi token in play to earn game. So finally you can check the result. Here is the result. Finally Shibnobi Gaming is launched. So tomorrow we can see the official announcement. I know the price of Shibnobi token is falling down day by day, but from yesterday the price is going back. As you know, daily we can see 2%, 3%, the price is moving back to the upward. But let me tell you, Shibnobi developer is working very hard. As you know, in future we can see their wallet, Kusari blockchain, and there we have Metaverse. So that's why don't forget to buy this token, because one day this token can make you a millionaire. As you know, in 1 month the developer launched 3 things: Shibnobi Store, Dojoswap, Shibnobi Gaming, which is a big thing for Shibnobi holders. So that's why nowadays the market is down. That's why the price is not going up. So don't worry, just hold your token, enjoy 6% reflection. So this was all about Shibnobi new updates, Shibnobi gaming system. Shibnobi Gaming is finally launched. I hope you understand this video. This video just end up here. Make sure to smash the like button to a new all-time high. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about Shibnobi Gaming. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.